Alam mo ba?
Nuclear-powered alien craft of all things. An object zooming through our solar system is now channeling the notion of scientists and sparking a heated debate.
Okay, good day lahat sa inyo mga ka-ex. Medyo na-delay lang ang aking uploads ng video regarding sa updates ko sa mga news and current events. But here, I have my new makings. Ito yung video regarding sa 3i Atlas, an alien ship. So you better watch and wait. Siguro most probably by Tuesday before lunch ma-post ko itong aking documentary regarding dito sa interstellar body na to na 3i Atlas and all the supporting ideas and information. Thank you.